So here I'm demonstrating that I don't have the GPU capacity in place yet. I'm running something, so Python minus C, import TensorFlow as TF, uh, and then print tf.config.list under physical under devices, open paren, single quote, GPU, single quote, close paren, double quote. So that is something where this command is supposed to use TensorFlow, which is installed. And then it is intending to, first of all, import TensorFlow as TF to be able to call the method. And then the method that we call is the TF config list physical devices. Now, when it tries to do this, it says, hey, couldn't find the CUDA drivers on your machine. GPU will not be used. Well, that's because I haven't installed the CUDA drivers yet. But that's what I'm trying to demonstrate to you.